This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Monica Gutierrez. Welcome to your dream home in the exclusive gated community of Sunset Lakes. Fabulous two-story home in a huge oversized lot on the lake. Great open floor plan. The primary suite has a sitting area and is truly a retreat, featuring 2 bathrooms. This stunning large home boasts 4 bedrooms/3 baths, and 3-car garage. Gorgeous wood floors on all bedrooms. 1 bedroom and bathroom on the first floor. Newer roof, accordion hurricane shutters, newer A/C units. This property is located within a community renowned for its excellent schools, making it the perfect place to raise a family. The resort-style amenities will make you feel like you're on a permanent vacation. Stay fit and active with access to a state-of-the-art gym, pool, tennis, basketball courts. Your clients will love it. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Gutierrez at 954-205-2586.